Hello viewers, I am Deepthi Hans. Today I am going to discuss about the solutions of specimen question papers released by Council. Today we are going to talk about class 10 ICSE Physics Science paper 1. Let us start with section A. First of all, we are going to talk about question number 1, which has 15 multiple choice questions. First question is SI unit of moment is, we all know moment is equal to F into D. F is force, so SI unit is Newton. D is distance, SI unit is meter. So Newton meter is the correct answer. This is option B. Now, in second question, which of the following is the correct expression for gain in kinetic energy if initial velocity is not zero? If initial velocity is not zero, only then kinetic energy is possible. So, correct expression for kinetic energy is half mv square, which is option A. Otherwise, if initial velocity is not zero, it may be u, then kinetic energy, it means gain in kinetic energy is equal to half mv square minus u square is also correct. So, I made correct option D. Now, the energy conversion when an oscillating pendulum moves from mean to extreme position is, this is the mean position and this is the extreme position. Here it is kinetic energy, it is converting to potential energy. So, correct option is A, kinetic to potential. Now, which of the following nuclear radiations can be stored by a sheet of paper? We all know the penetrating power of alpha radiation is less. So, alpha is the correct answer. It means option A. When 7 spectral colors passes through a glass block from air, then which one of the following statements is correct? We all know the concept of Vibgyor. So, in the glass block, speed of orange light is greater than speed of indigo light. So, this option is correct. This is option D. In part number 6, in which of the following diagrams is the refraction not correct? According to me, correct option is A. Because in A diagram, they have shown to us that rays coming from 2F and becoming parallel to principal axis, which is incorrect. In second diagram, concave lens is showing diverging ray. It is correct. In convex lens, in C part, rays coming from focus and becoming parallel to principal axis. It is again correct. And in D part, rays passing from optical center as going undeviated is again correct. So, incorrect option is A. So, our answer is A. Now, seventh part, characteristic of sound which enable us to differentiate between two sounds of different intensity is. As we all know, intensity is a measurable quantity. It means it is objective in nature and amplitude is also. So, correct option is B. In next part number 8, they have shown two waves to us and the ratio of wavelength of A to wavelength of B we need to calculate. This is A and this is B. Now for calculation of wavelength we need to count number of cycles completed. So first is this cycle and second is this and this. So it means wavelength is 2.5 and in the second graph only 1. It means 2.5 is to 1. So multiplying by 2, answer is 5:2. 5:2 is our option A. So correct option is A. In part 9, graph shows I against V relation for three conductors A, B and C. Choose the correct relation for the resistors of A, B and C. We know more the slope, more is the resistance. So resistance of C is greater than resistance of B and greater than resistance of A. It means D option is correct in part number 9. For 10th, which of the following is the correct color code of three wires, live, neutral and earth? So correct option is C. We all know live wire is of brown color, neutral is of blue color and earth is of yellow color. In part number 11, when a conductor carrying current is placed in a magnetic field perpendicular to it, then the direction of force experienced can be found out using Fleming's left hand rule. We all know in this case we need to use Fleming's left hand rule because the motion of the conductor is required. Now in part number 12, choose the correct statement. Latent heat absorbed is, first part A is correct, is independent of the mass of the substance because in all three parts it is directly proportional to increase in temperature, directly proportional to specific heat capacity and directly proportional to the specific latent heat of the substance. In part number 13, which of the following liquids is most suitable for radiators in car? More the specific heat capacity, more is the suitable liquid. So liquid P with Specific heat capacity 4000 joule per kg per Kelvin is the correct option of part 13. In 14th, while entering from medium A to medium B, if light slows down, we all know that if light slows down, it means light is entering from rarer medium to denser medium. And if light is entering from rarer to denser, it means I is greater. I is greater than R. So angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. It means option number C is correct. In part 15, the phenomena of light that causes the diamond to glitter it is total internal reflection, TIR. B option is correct. In question number 2, part 1, A part is, how many pulleys are there in a movable block of a block and tackle system with velocity ratio 5? In my video, I have already discussed with you that if velocity ratio is 5, it means this block and tackle system has 5 number of pulleys. If they have 5 number of pulleys, then it means in the upper block, which is fixed block, upper block, we have 3 pulleys, and in lower block, we have 2 pulleys. And they have asked us how many movable pulleys are there. How many pulleys are there in movable block? So it means 2 number of pulleys are there in movable block, which is the lower block. In B part, a radioactive nucleus emits a beta particle. Does the position of daughter nucleus changes in a periodic table as compared to the parent nucleus? Radioactive nucleus, it means we can show it as ZXA. If beta particle is emitted, it means it becomes atomic number increases by 1 and mass number remains same. Atomic number increases by 1, it means next atomic number is there. Obviously, in the periodic table, their position has changed. So, in part B, answer is yes, because it is the next element in periodic table. In C, to which electrically charged plate the beta radiations will deflect while passing through an electric field. We all know that beta particles are negatively charged, so they deflect toward positive plate. In question number 2, only first part is of 3 marks, so it has 3 parts. Now all further subparts are of 2 marks. In part number 2, A and B parts are, name the force which produces maximum moment about in this diagram and calculate this moment in SI unit. We all know that moment of a force, here first we are taking moment of a force A is equal to F into D. What is the value of F? Force is 10 Newton and distance is 4 centimeter. But in SI unit, we need to divide by 100. So its value comes out to be 0.4 Newton meter. Now moment of force B is equal to B 12 into 2.5. Its value come out to be 0.3 Newton meter. And moment of force C is equal to 12 into 2 upon 100. It means 0.24 Newton meter. So question asks us, name the force which produces maximum moment about. So maximum force of 10 Newton which produces maximum moment. So A is the correct answer and its value in SI unit is 0.4 Newton meter. In third part, state 2 factors that affect the center of gravity of the body. We all know that center of gravity depend on the shape of the body. It means how mass is distributed inside the body. And second part is it is not necessary that center of gravity always lies within the body. In part number 4, if the moment of force which is of 20 Newton, it is given in the numerical about the center of the wheel O. Value of moment is given. It is 6 Newton meter. 6 Newton meter is the value of moment and its value is F into D. It means value of F is 20 and D is unknown to us. So value of D comes out to be 6 divided by 20. This is our first equation. Then calculate the moment of force about A. We have to calculate the moment of force about A. It means now D is this and here F into D. Force remains same 20 Newton. But D, as you can see, this is the radius and this is the whole diameter. So 2D. So 20 into 2 into 6 upon 20. It means 12 Newton meter. 12 Newton meter is the answer. In fifth part, if kinetic energy of a moving body is 40 joule. Kinetic energy is 40 joule. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is doubled? When its velocity is doubled, then half m, instead of v square, we need to write 2v square. 2 square, it means 4, and then half mv square. What is the value of half mv square? Kinetic energy, it means 40. 4 into 4, 160. 160 joule is the kinetic energy when velocity is doubled. Sixth part, a freely suspended pendulum in air is disturbed once and left to oscillate on its own. Name the type of vibration. We all know that these are damped vibrations. State one way to decrease the frequency of this vibration. We know the relation F is equal to 1 upon 12 under the root T upon pi r square D. So, if we want to decrease the frequency, we need to increase the length, or we need to increase the radius, or we increase the density, or we can reduce the tension. We can write any one of these points. Now, in seventh part, two copper wires A and B are of same length, present at temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Radius of A is twice the radius of B. In seventh part, it is given that radius of A is twice the radius of B. Which wire has greater resistance? Which wire has greater resistance? Obviously, जिसका surface area reduce होगा. It means B. Resistance, greater resistance is of B. Now, which wire will have greater resistivity? Resistivity depends on the material and temperature. It is given that they both are made up of copper wire. It means material is same. Temperature 30 degree, same for both these conductors. So, resistivity remains same. Resistivity remains same, and resistance of conductor B is greater. With this, our question 2 ends. Now, question 3 having 5 parts of 2 marks each. It means this question is of 10 marks. Question 1 is of 15 marks. Question 2 is of 15 marks, and question 3 is of 10 marks. Collectively 40 marks of section A. In first part, a lens can form an image on the screen. We all know that image is obtained on the screen. It means it is real image. So, the lens which form real image, name the lens. It is convex lens. It is convex lens which form real image. We all know that in case of convex lens, image is formed which is real in all the 5 cases, and last case it is virtual. Next part, is it possible for this lens to form magnified image? Yes, it is possible, because in convex lens we can have magnified image, diminished image, and same size image. Only in the case of concave lens we can have only diminished image. In second part, is it possible to switch off an appliance by placing the switch in a neutral wire? Yes, it is possible that we can place the switch in neutral wire, but it is deceptive. It is dangerous for us to touch such a switch because it is connected to the live potential. It means high potential, 220 volt. So, it is not safe for us to touch such a switch. But the purpose of switch is solved in this case. So, we need to write yes here. In B part, is it possible for current to flow between a neutral and an earth wire? No, it is not possible, because no path for current to flow through the earth back to the source. So, this is not possible. In third part, state 2 factors that affect the strength of the electromagnet. We all know that by increasing the number of turns, the strength of electromagnet can be affected, and by increasing the current to the solenoid, the strength of the electromagnet can be affected. So, number of turns is our first point, and second is current in the solenoid, current through solenoid. In fourth part, calculate the heat absorbed by 200 gram ice at 0 degrees Celsius. So, it is here ice to water conversion is there. Now, mass of ice is given as 200 gram, and we need to convert it into kg. It means 0.2 kg SI unit. Specific heat capacity of ice is given as 2100. Specific heat capacity of water is given as 4200 joule per kg per Kelvin. Now, latent heat is also given 336,000 joule per kg. Now we need to calculate the heat absorbed by this piece of ice. Now heat Q is equal to ml plus mc delta T. Now M is same in both these two, 0.2. L, value of L is 330 600 plus value of C is 4200 and delta T is 60 minus 0. 0.2, 330 600, 4200 multiplied by 60. 0.2, we can multiply this. Its value comes out to be 252000 and addition of this gives us value 588000. Multiplying by 0.2, value comes out to be 117600. So 117,600 joule is the energy required. In large part, what are background radiations? Radioactive radiations, alpha, beta or gamma. Any of alpha, beta or gamma, to which we all are exposed even in the absence of an actual radioactive source, are known as background radiations. Example in our body are carbon 14, potassium 40 and in atmosphere radon 222. All these are examples of background radiations. So with this section A is over. With this we come to an end of section A. Now in my next video we will discuss about section B. Till then, I hope that you have subscribed to my channel. If not yet, then please do. Thank you.